Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Essence JaNay. For any of you who are new, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a fall eyeshadow look because fall is here, and I was honestly inspired from Pinterest. I was looking at some pictures on Pinterest. I was also looking up some other things, and I came across this one makeup eyeshadow, not makeup look, but eyeshadow look, and I will show you guys on the screen. But it's like this nice brown golden look with a little hint of orange. Love orange eyeshadow, so we're gonna try and see if we can pull this off today. If you guys are interested in watching this and learning along with me how to create this look, or just curious to see how close I get to that actual eyeshadow look, then definitely keep on watching. So I do have my little bunny ears on and I'm ready to get started. I'm going to be using possibly some of the Man-Eater Tarte palette. It just has some nice brown tones in there, so I might use this brown shade right here, which is Midnight. And then I also brought out my Morphe 9C palette because this is where the majority of those shades will probably be coming from. So neither palette has like a light tan transition shade. There's Passion in this Man-Eater palette, but I think that's too pink. So I'm just going to use Stone Fox in this Tarte palette. Right here I'm going to use Stone Fox, and I'm going to just put that in my crease. And this shade will serve as my transition shade. Wow. This shade will serve as my transition shade. And I'm using the JH35. I'm still testing out these brushes. I told you guys I was still going to use them. So I pulled out a few today to use for my eyeshadow. Oh, and I didn't think I mentioned, but I already did the base of my face. I already put on my foundation, my concealer. I cream contoured a little bit, only because I wanted to set my whole face. So that is already done. I figured this look would just be more so for the eyeshadow. That's what we're focusing on. You guys have seen me do my foundation and everything, I think one too many times already, so it's okay. So you just keep going until you reach the pigmentation that you want. Looking at the photo, the orange kind of looks a little intense, so I'm gonna now go in with Rock Out right here, and I'm gonna use that as well just to darken that orange shade just a little bit. And I'm gonna bring it, like, I'm bringing it a little bit above the actual like indent of my eye. Not too far up, but so it looks like there's a little bit of brown in the crease as well, not as dark as the outer corners. So I'm just gonna dip a lightly, very ever so slightly, into Saucy, which is right here, this like lighter brown shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well, just ever so slightly though, like taking just a little and dipping that on there as well. Now I'm going to take Midnight right here, and I'm going to use that as the darker brown, and I'm going to kind of do like a halo eye basically. So I'm going to put it on my outer corner out here, and I'm also going to put it in my inner corner, but I'm not going to put it in the center of the lid. And since it's a darker color, you just build up slowly. You don't want to do too much shadow at one time, because then you might mess up the whole look. And just slowly So you want it to look a little something like this, kind of. And then I'm going to go back into Stone Fox, which is the first shade that we used. And I'm just going to blend out the edges. So now I'm going to take some concealer and got some on my hand. And I'm just going to carve out that middle part, like just do like this empty section, just do a little bit there. I don't know if I explained that right, but you'll see. That's why I make the ugliest faces when I do this. So now I'm going to take Fool's Gold, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid. I'm going to go back into the Tarte palette, take Midnight, and darken up those areas that we previously were brown, but I feel like some of that color was like lost. So we are just going to, and also to make sure that we're blending, I'm going to take my clean blending brush and I'm just going to clean all of that up, blending it all out. Okay, so I finished the rest of my face with the exception of my under eyes because I wanted to do that on camera, because obviously the point of this whole thing is the eye look. So I'm going to go back into this Morphe palette and I'm going to take the Stone Fox shade, which is that orange that we used, the first shade that we ever used, and I'm going to drag that along the bottom. In the picture it looks like her under eye is like dark, so I'm gonna also take that brown shade and put it really close to my lash line. And if I can just find a brush to use to do that, that would be great. So I'm gonna take Midnight and the Tarte palette and I'm gonna put that really close to my lash line. So I'm gonna have to get a little close for this. So this is what I was able to create. I personally like it. I'm not sure it's 100% like the photo, but that's okay. I just figured I just basically gained inspiration off of it, even though I tried to kind of like do the same look, like literally. Obviously there were no instructions on how that look was created. It's just something that I saw on Pinterest, but I really like the way mine turned out. I would definitely rock this look. I will be doing many more tutorials off of looks that I find on Pinterest, because there's a lot of things that I see that I'm really inspired by and I really want to try. So definitely look out for those. If there's anything that you guys want me to do in specific, definitely, as always, leave your comments down below. I'm open to anything. I mean, anything makeup wise, any makeup looks, any hauls, anything makeup, I'm down for. So definitely just drop that all in the comments down below. Let me know and I'll make it or create it for you guys. But again, I'm really proud of this look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't have anything else to say other than I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first. But until next time, bye guys, I love you.